So let me check who all joined. Guys, can you please introduce yourself? So before that, let me introduce myself. So myself, Srinivas Reddy Challa. So and I'm having around 15 plus years of experience in training, mentoring, development, whatever. So currently I'm working as a manager in some of the reputed company. So I will explain more about myself a little later. Okay. So and I'm having strong experience in development, mentoring, and project management, recruitment, etc., etc. Okay, so currently I'm working for some of the reputed MNC. Okay, so
Sir, sorry for interrupting. Sir, can you
yeah,
start the recording?
yeah, we'll be starting.
Yeah.
So we'll start. Okay. Okay. Now the course name is right. So based on the participant experience, maybe I will customize little bit content. Huh? Okay. So, but the training is Java with AI and later will include GitHub Copilot pilot and maybe if possible I will go with something called agentic AI. Okay. So at least basics I will cover. Why? Because now the current market will be after coming 2 years it will be agentic AI and Java related. Okay. Okay. Right. Right. So before starting that, let me tell you, right? So maybe it might go for 100 plus 100 hours. No? We'll plan accordingly, right? Now, Java 8 and above. Okay, so let me start the recording. Okay, tomorrow onwards, I will start the recording. So today, just we'll discuss the basics, right? Now, the content, right? The content which one I'm going to cover. Let's start the recording. Today, we'll go for only the basics intro. Okay. Already recording started, guys. Okay. So Java 8 and above versions, right? Now, then I will be going with basic DSA. Then we'll be going with Java 8 and above versions. We'll go with basic DSA and we'll be going with JNet and JNet 5, JNet and JNet 5. Right now, we'll be going with design patterns, right? Then we'll be going with basics of JDBC. Then we'll be going with web applications development, web applications intro. Then we'll be going for web services, right? Then we'll be just and I'm highlighting what all the concepts we are going to cover. Then we'll be going with Spring and Spring Boot, and we'll be going for Spring Security and Spring Data JPA, Data JPA, and we'll be going with microservices, services, and its patterns. And after that, we'll be going with maybe in between, we'll be going with real-time project scenarios. So I will give you the correct syllabus tomorrow. So this is the actual plan. Okay. This is the actual plan. So before that, can you guys introduce yourself and let me know the experience and what you guys are looking for so that we'll plan. Okay, right. So one by one, we'll look into. Guys, can you please introduce yourself? Abhishek, Abhishek, guys, introduce yourself and tell me a little bit about yourself. Rahul Chavan.
Hello.
Yeah, Rahul.
No, I'm Gaurav actually.
Yeah, Gaurav. Yeah.
Yeah, my name is Gaurav Prakash. I'm currently working in Wavemaker India Private Limited.
Mm-hmm.
So I have around 8 years of experience and I'm planning to switch my job. So I wanted to learn everything from scratch so
Yes,
that it will
excellent,
be easy for
excellent,
me to
excellent.
prepare for the interview.
Yeah. So you're into Java development only.
Yeah, development only.
So can you tell me a little bit about your tech stack?
Yeah, actually, the tech stack that I'm having Hibernate,
Mm-hmm.
Spring, Spring
Mm-hmm.
Boot, and microservices.
Excellent. Which version of Java?
Java 8.
Okay, good. So how about the front-end skills?
Front-end skills earlier in my previous organization, I've worked on Angular JS,
Mm-hmm.
and but since Angular JS has been upgraded to Angular versions, I haven't
Mm-hmm.
worked on the UI stuff. Yeah,
Mm.
but then I'm well aware about HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Bootstrap, and all. But Angular and React, I have never worked on. I never got the opportunity to work on both.
Opportunity to work on that. So any dev tools?
Dev tools, no, not much as such, but yeah, the dev tools that come integrated with the IDEs, I use them.
Mm-hmm. Good, good. So any exposure in GitHub Copilot? Have you started working on GitHub Copilot, using GitHub Copilot in your projects?
No, I have never used GitHub Copilot as such.
Mm-hmm. Okay, good,
Yeah.
good. Okay, good to know that. So
Yeah.
from which location you are in, Gaurav Prakash?
Actually, my native is Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, but I'm residing here in Hyderabad. My company is Wavemaker India Private Limited in Hyderabad,
Super, super.
Raidurg is our office.
Super, super. So one of my earlier resource, also from Varanasi, Ravi Teja. He is also from Varanasi. Now he is also in Hyderabad. He's working for some other company. Uh,
Yeah,
yeah, yeah. Good. Good to know that. Good to know you, Prakash. Okay.
yeah, thanks a lot.
Yeah. Jayant. 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 Lavanya. Can you please introduce yourself?
Sir, I
Lavanya.
am Lavanya.
Yeah. Go ahead,
Sir,
Lavanya.
sir, I am Lavanya. I am pursuing MCA, sir. Currently,
Mm-hmm. Okay. Good. Good. Which location you are in, Lavanya?
sir, I am in Mysore, sir.
So Mysore. Okay. So
Mysore, sir.
even I mean, I stayed in Mysore 2 years, 2016 and 18. I was in Mysore, Kuvempu Nagara, working for Marlabs.
Okay, sir. Nice, sir.
Yeah. So in Kuvempu Nagara, Marlabs Software Solutions. I was there
Okay.
for 2 years. Good. Good to know that. Yeah. Yeah. So
Learning,
any, yeah. So next, someone introduce yourself. Jayant or Rahul Chavan. Anyone, introduce yourself. Bhumika, can you please introduce yourself?
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, hi, myself Bhumika Patel, and I completed my MSCIT in 2023, and I have almost 10 months of experience as a Java developer.
Okay, 1 year experience, you mean to say, right?
10 months of experience.
Yeah. Near about 1 year, right?
Yeah, near about 1 year.
So which version of Java you are familiar with, Bhumika?
Sorry, can you please repeat?
Which version of Java you are familiar with?
May 2025.
So May 2025, maybe you're passed out here or something. Now, my question is, which
Yes.
version of Java you're comfortable? Java 8 or which version you guys are?
I use Java 17 in experience.
You are using
And
Java 17, but you're comfortable in writing code with Java 8?
yeah,
API.
some times it's not like totally based on Java 8. Yes, and I use Spring Boot, MySQL for database, MySQL.
Yeah. So could you please tell me about your total tech stack? So why I'm asking, guys, everyone. So it's not like a fresher session for us, right? So we need to prepare on Java and we need to work on real-time scenarios and cracking the interviews. That is our main agenda, isn't it? So that before that, I wanted to know where you guys are standing. So that's why, and I'm expecting you guys to talk and let me know about your technical skills. Okay, we'll plan accordingly. Okay, right. Yeah, Bhumika, could you please tell me about your tech stack?
Actually, I don't understand what you said. Can you please repeat?
Technical stack, your technical stack. So what are all the technical skills you are good in Java perspective and front end perspective?
In front end, they create the UI based design, and we need to like create APIs for connect with the designs, right?
Okay.
And after if some issues are there, then we need to fix and debug the code. And I use Postman tool also for the testing and check the API, is it working or not.
Understood. Understood. Super. Excellent. Good. Good to know that. So next, Jayant. Jayant Mane. Ilango.
Am I audible?
Yes, you are audible.
Sir, I am Rahul Chavan from Pune location, working here in MNC as a tester, manual or automation tester, and I just want to switch to Java.
Okay.
So that's
So, how many years of experience you have, Chavan?
Sir, 6 years.
6 years into manual and little bit of automation, Selenium, right?
Yes.
Okay. So can you please tell me about your tech stack when it comes to programming, basics of Java? That's it, right?
Sir, basics of Java mostly I know, but not much used or familiar with Java yet. But all other basics like object creation, callings, then exception handlings, then collection framework. I am aware about this.
Excellent. Good to know that. Yeah, good. So
Thank you.
good to know that. Others, can you please voluntarily tell me about yourself? Madhu? Yeah, tell me about yourself, Madhu. Anyone? Can you please introduce yourself?
Yeah, hi. Yes.
Yeah.
So, myself Kavirasan from Chennai, Tamil Nadu. So, actually, I'm
Which part of Tamil Nadu? Which part of Tamil Nadu?
Chennai.
Chennai only. Okay.
Yeah, yes.
So I'm also.
Oh, okay.
So I have completed my MCA in Tamil Nadu, Tanjavur
Okay.
district, Pattukottai,
Okay.
Adirampatnam, and
Yeah.
I did my MCA there, and I have completed 3 years MCA. After that, I worked for Cognizant for a couple of years,
Okay,
and
great.
I'm well versed with Tamil
Yeah.
and Tamil Nadu area.
Oh,
You are from
great.
Chennai only, right?
Yeah, I am from Chennai, yes.
Yeah, go ahead.
So myself, I'm started my career as a software developer. So um recently, I'm just moved to a product company. So I'm just working as a front end developer now as a React stack.
Mm-hmm.
So in my company, there's so much need for the Java developers, right? For because due to this AI invasions,
Yes, yes,
there are so many improvements are happening, and all the within a second, so many things are happening with the Copilot and everything. So to make a stable job and also to make a future proof for the job ready, we need to go to somewhat like a Spring Boot stacks, so that I just
yes, yes, yes.
go through. And in my project, we are using Java services and also
Mm.
for microservices and kubectl and the Docker images.
Okay, good
Yeah.
to know that.
So I just saw the requirements that the descriptions that you have shared in the Insta. So that was so suitable for in my projects, like bulk uploads and
Yes, yes.
so many features. So
Yes,
I
yes.
like to join. Yes. That's it.
Good to know that, Ilango. Yeah. So, sorry,
Kaviras.
Kavirasan. Right. Good. So, any others? Can you please introduce yourself, guys? So, everyone, tell me about yourself so that we'll plan accordingly. Okay.
Hello,
Everyone are experienced developers, right? Yeah. Go ahead.
myself Jayant Mane.
Yeah, Jayant.
I'm from Shimoga.
Okay, good.
I'm completed in recently Master of Computer Application in JNC College, Shimoga.
Okay, good to know that. So, Shimog, near to Halibedu, etc., right? Okay, good. Next, Lavanya. Madhu, can you please tell me about yourself in chat so that I will go through?
Hi, sir.
Yeah,
I am Raghavendra KS.
yeah, Raghavendra.
I completed my BE in computer science in 2023.
Mm-hmm.
After I started my career in non-IT,
Mm-hmm.
data annotator.
Mm-hmm.
I think to switch to IT in Java developer.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I searching and joined this
Yeah,
program.
good, Raghavendra. So earlier you have any programming knowledge, Raghavendra?
Yes, I'm completed in computer science now. That's in
Okay.
Java 8 I used already.
Mm-hmm.
And
Mm-hmm.
also I know JR expression handling also.
Mm-hmm.
I'm in Java and in practically I did not real time. I am not a real time management. I did not use it. I used in practical courses are there. No, and that time I used.
Good to know that, Raghavendra. Good. So any others yet to introduce? Good to know that, Madhu. Yeah, good to know that. Yeah. So can you please introduce others? So Bhumika done, Gaurav, Jayant done, Kavirasan, Lavanya or Lakshmi Kant. Lavanya or Lakshmi Kanta Kamila. Can you please introduce yourself?
Sir, I already introduced myself, sir.
Okay, good. So anyone yet to introduce yourself?
Yeah. Good evening, sir. My name is Lakshmikant.
Yeah, Lakshmikant.
Yeah. I am from Odisha, from Baleshwar, and I have graduated in non-IT background, like BSc. But
Okay. Good.
My question is there any possibility non-IT background to go through in IT
Yes.
sector
Yes.
in
Yes.
career growth?
No issues, ma.
So how
So
could you?
yeah. So nothing. Worry. No need to worry about that. So the thing, if you wanted to be in software industry, so only the thing. So what are the prerequisites, guys? Tell me about the prerequisites.
Sorry, sir,
So
I
I
did
will.
not getting your phone.
Sorry.
Come again, sir, please.
Yeah. So you don't need to worry about that, whether you are from a programming background or not. See, if you wanted to learn Java or if you wanted to work in programming, okay. So few things are needed, ma. So what are the things? One is positive attitude. So whether you are from CSE background or ECE background, that doesn't matter. Okay. And next,
Oh,
willingness to learn, and you need to have little bit of reasoning, logical,
okay.
and little bit of arithmetic
Okay.
skills, a little bit of mathematics, etc. That's what we are expecting. So only maybe initial 1 month you might face little tough, or maybe a couple of weeks. After that, you will be good in that. So for everyone, and I'm telling, so you don't need to worry whether you are from a programming background or non-programming background. So if you wanted to be master in Java and if you wanted to be as a Java developer, only few things expected, that is positive attitude, willingness to learn, and reasoning and logical skills. Okay, so this is only the things needed. And when it comes to the concepts which we are going to cover, so basically we'll be going with basics of programming, basics of programming languages, and then we'll be going with OOPs, and then the concepts of Java features and Java 8 and above versions, all the features, Java 8 and above versions. And I'm not mentioning everything here, just I'm telling what are the concepts we are going to cover. So after that, I'll make you to work on real-time scenarios. I'll make you to work on real-time scenarios.
I can't see your screen actually.
Is it for everyone or?
No, we are visible.
Reconnect once again, maybe from your side.
Okay, I will check.
Yeah. So we'll be working on real-time scenarios. And when it comes to core Java, so mainly we are focusing on DSA concepts, and we'll be focusing on logics, and then we'll be focusing on collections, and we'll be focusing on design patterns, and we'll be focusing on coding standards and best practices and interview questions and some lead code problems discussion. Guys, I'm one of the technical panel for one of the MNC. So I used to do L1 and L2 interviews, right? Right now we are not just thinking about the theoretical questions, and we are asking and we are checking whether the resources are capable to write the code, whether you guys are with 1 year of experience or you guys are with 20 years of experience. That doesn't matter for technical panels. We are checking whether you are able to code for the given requirements or not, right? So, and we are expecting the code should be Java 8 and above versions. and above versions, and along with time complexity and say space complexity, time and complexity, and test cases. JUnit test cases. So this is what we'll be looking into, and we'll be covering all the concepts which are all under core Java, right? So after that, as I told, we'll be going with the frameworks, and no need to discuss about servlets, JSP, and JSTL expression language. These are all outdated, right? Outdated, and we no need to go for struts 1.x and struts 2.x, etc. So this is also out of date in the industry, right now. Maybe if you want, you can go with a Hibernate. That is also not needed at this point of time. Generally, we'll be going for Spring Boot, Spring and Spring Boot, followed by Data JPA, and followed by Spring Security, and followed by MVC and Web Service, RESTful services, right? So maybe we might discuss about Kafka, introduction, and working examples, right? Now, while going with Spring, we'll be working with a few other scenarios. So just a minute, let me check on that. Okay, ma. All right. Now, Hibernate, Kafka introduction and working examples. And after that, we'll be discussing about, right? So PDF files generations, right? So Excel or CSV file uploads, and basic code operations, and real-time scenarios, maybe data validations, and followed by email services and OTP services, etc. And later, I will introduce you guys to GitHub Copilot, how to use GitHub Copilot in your projects. I'll make you too comfortable with GitHub Copilot. Now, why? Because you need to work on this GitHub Copilot in your projects, right? Maybe I will make you to understand code generations, right? Prompt files, and then slash comments, and maybe generating the Java doc, right? Unit test cases, etc., which are all needed for the project, and intro to MCP servers. So these are all the concepts which we are concentrating mainly. Okay, guys, any questions here? Any questions here?
Hello.
Yeah, go ahead.
Sir, once it's done, like, is it get covered for deployment as well?
See, basic deployment.
Cloud deployment.
Basic deployment will tell ma, but DevOps and all won't cover, right? This is completely into Java, right?
Okay.
So deployment in the sense normal applications deployment, or you need Docker, Kubernetes, etc.,
Not in detail, Docker, Kubernetes. but just the things which are required for as a developer
Yes,
perspective.
as per developer, everything covered. So using Maven, right? So all these things covered. Okay, you don't need to worry about that. Okay, so basic, we'll be discussing about coding standards and best practices, right? Swagger or Open API documentation, Swagger or Open API documentation, everything will be covered. Okay, so basic application deployments, and we'll be going for Maven build tool. We'll be going for Maven build tool, etc. Okay, so the basics, you don't need to worry about that. And sorry, I told, right? So maybe microservices also covered. Microservices and its basic patterns. Okay, these are all the concepts are covered. Got it, guys? With real-time scenarios. Right. So once we done this, you can maybe parallelly also you can attend your interviews. So once your JNT Java is completed, so you can confidently give your Java interviews. Okay. Any questions, ma? Any questions? Any other any expectations? Everyone, you can talk today. You can tell me about your expectations so that we'll plan accordingly, ma.
Sir, cache related things or
Yes,
authentications will
the
be covered.
basics which are all needed for Java developer, those concepts won't miss. Okay, so Redis cache, etc., etc. These will be covered. Just and I'm giving highlight. Okay, so maybe you received a PDF file or a PPT or a basic content, right? So that will be covered. You don't need to worry about that.
Okay.
Any questions, guys? Pagination concepts will be covered. Redis cache will be covered. Kafka will be covered. Microservices will be covered. Everything will be covered here. You don't need to worry about that. So this is the content which is prepared by myself and we used to follow in our organizations to make my bench resources be prepared and attending for a client rounds. Okay. Good. So any other questions, any expectations? Feel free to ask me. Feel free to ask, guys. Any doubts in the syllabus? Any doubts in the course? Any doubts, the topics which are going to cover? Any doubts related to course coverage?
Sir, what time course will be started?
8. Tomorrow onwards, we'll start 8 o'clock onwards, 8 p.m. So it will be a minimum of 1 hour. So if time permits, everyone are okay, then we'll go for long sessions. Okay. So initial 1 week, we'll go for 1 hour per day. So later, based on participants' availability or maybe on weekends, we'll go for long sessions. Okay.
100 hours means it will go 3 months.
Not exactly 100 hour also, ma. So based on the participants, how you guys are practicing and along with the project work. Okay. Got it?
Sir.
Yeah. Any other questions, ma? So at least we need a minimum of 60 to 100 hours duration along with the practice and all, so that then only you will be confident and comfortable in your projects and attending the interviews, right? Understood? So 1 or 2 days, if at all it is not possible for you to attend, anyhow, we'll record these sessions and these sessions will be available for you for lifetime. Okay.
Sir, real-time scenario, real-time project means we will go for any we are getting project, we are under working projects. That's if we are doing codes or in normal way. What is Java? That's type we are going, or um, you are giving a one project and we are working on that type we are going
Yes.
what.
So initial 10-15 days based on the participants for few people who are all from non-IT background will go with the basics. And the people who are all good, I will give the hands-on activities and the logics to be built. And then we'll start with a project and I'm asking you to code for that requirements and I will review the implementation and I will give you the suggestions and how you can improve. So if at all you guys are already aware Spring Boot and if you have a time, then after 2 weeks, we'll start a project on Spring Boot as well. So the people who are all good in Java already, so they can parallelly work on the project.
Okay.
Understood?
Sir.
So we need to consider about every participant number. So according to that, we'll plan. No issues in that. Understood?
Yes.
Yeah. So right now, and I'm already started giving training about artificial intelligence in my organization. So now already got it. Now already we are into artificial intelligence, Java and artificial intelligence kind of stuff. Just I'm showing a sample image. Okay, we'll do that. So recent GitHub sessions given by me, right? And DSA sessions in my company and artificial intelligence sessions. And maybe if you see my notepad, maybe you will see, right, etc., etc. Okay. Okay, right, good. So any other questions, ma? Any questions you can tell me so that we'll plan and customize our training content. Okay. So only one thing I used to tell honestly, trust Srinivas. I'll add value to your careers. Okay. So maybe if at all few guys joined late, let me introduce once again myself. So myself, Srinivas Reddy Challa, and I'm having around 15 plus years of experience in training, mentoring, development, and project management and recruitment, etc. So currently, I'm a technical panel for one of the MNC as well. So generally, I used to do L1 and L2 technical interviews as well. So I have good experience in support projects as well. So that's all about myself, ma. Okay. So we'll start from tomorrow. Okay. So anyone, any questions related to that, related to training, any expectations from your end? Guys, any one of you? Anyone? Guys, any one of you? Any questions? Any expectations out of this training? You can share your expectations also so that we'll plan accordingly, right? Yeah. Any questions, guys? Any questions? Respond, please.
Yeah. Hey, hi, Srinivas sir. I'm Naresh from Sritech admin team.
Yeah, Naresh.
Thanks for joining, sir. Guys, thanks for joining the session. Sritech is not only in trainings, we are into consulting. After completion of this training, I know this is a project kind of based training. 100% you will get benefit from the Srinivas sir. He has vast experience. Generally he used to train bench resources like in real time. The companies who are having already 10 plus years also, they wanted to be on board in the projects. So he used to use train the resources. His training will help us to get the good amount of knowledge for enterprise stack and what kind of exactly industry looking the same exactly enterprise stack we will going to be learn. After completion of this training, we will prepare your resume. We'll keep relevant experience on whatever we require. You require the scenario, and we do have a clients all over India. After completion of this time, we will send to the client your profile. If client budget and your budget matches, we will schedule interviews as well. Okay, don't miss the sessions. Please join the on time and punctual and regularly. These sessions will help you two guys get the rock. Okay. Thank you so much. Sir will take care. Okay. So please hand over. If you guys have any doubts related to having any freshers or any career gap, any PF-ish kind of related things, I'll personally assist you. I'll post my contact number. You can contact me personally also, no problem.
Yeah. So for career guidance and all, you can definitely contact Naresh and our team. Okay. So our team will give you the personal contact number. You can check with them. Okay. Guys, any questions?
No, sir.
Yeah. Yeah. So that's all from today, ma. So